We nearly have to finish our conversation. One last question, Amika. Do you plan to take over the world?
Don't ask him that.
Now, the scenes in some of the science fiction cinemas are becoming real. Yes, the robots and artificial intelligence are taking control of the world. Do you know what tech-packed AI-based systems in the world? Come, let's find out. AI has many applications, such as advanced web searches and giving recommendations to users, and it'll be competing at the highest level in some strategic games such as chess. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is used in robots too. Robots are becoming daily helping hands. The major tech companies are behind the work of making robots for commercial and business purposes. One of the major tech companies in the robotic tech field in the world is Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics is one of the world's most popular engineering and robotic design companies. Boston Dynamics is an American company which was founded in 1992. Its headquarters are in Waltham, Massachusetts. Boston Dynamics has been a Hyundai Motor Group since December 2020. Boston Dynamics was founded by Mark Rybert, who had spun the company off of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in 1992. The Boston Dynamics company was an outlook of the Legg Laboratory. The Legg Laboratory boss was dynamic in establishing the scientific basis for highly dynamic robots. The animal-inspired robots that move with excellent perception, agility, skill, and intelligence. Earlier, the company worked with the American Systems Corporation under the contract of the Naval Air Warfare Center Training Systems Division, and it was for replacing naval training videos for aircraft launch operations with 3D interactive computer simulations with features such as characters made with DI Guy and software for realistic human simulation. After that, the company started making physical robots. The Boston Dynamics company was acquired by Google X, a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc. On December 13, 2013, immediately after the acquisition, Boston Dynamics transferred its DiGuy software product line to VT Mac, a simulation software vendor. On June 8, 2017, Alphabet Inc. announced the sale of Boston Dynamics to Japan's SoftBank Group for an unknown sum. Boston Dynamics robots are considered the most perfect robots in the world. Some of the major robots that Boston Dynamics created are Spot. Boston revealed a four-legged canine-inspired Spot, and this robot only weighed 25 kilograms, and it is lighter than any other robot in this segment. In a promotional video of the Spot using its forward claws to open a door for another robot, the viewers perceived the Spot robot as creepy and reminiscent of science fiction robots. But in 2019, journalists were informed that the robot would not be sold, but they will be given on lease to some selected business partners only. In November 2019, Massachusetts State Police became the first law enforcement agency to use Spot. LS3, Leg Squad Support System, is also known as Alpha Dog. The LS3 can effectively operate in hot, cold, wet, and dirty conditions. The vision for LS3 is to combine a pack mule's capabilities with a trained animal's intelligence. The LS3 robot is very capable of reacting to oral or visual commands. The LS3 robot has an inbuilt GPS and a computer vision which can guide itself through extreme terrain. Atlas, Agile Anthropomorphic Robot, is a 5-foot bipedal humanoid robot. This robot was mainly created for search and rescue missions. In February 2016, the most dynamic published YouTube video was titled Atlas: The Next Generation. It showed a new robot which was about 5 feet tall, and in that video, that robot was performing several tasks that would have been difficult or impossible for that previous generation of humanoid robot. Petman, Protection Ensemble Test Mannequin, is a bipedal device created for testing chemical protection suits. Petman is the first anthropomorphic robot that moves dynamically like a person. Little Dog is a small quadruped robot developed by Boston Dynamics for DARPA research. The Little Dog was released in 2010. Little Dog is intended as a testbed for other institutions. Boston Dynamics is the standard platform for the maintenance of robots for DARPA. The Little Dog robot has an onboard PC-level computer which does accurate control, communication, and sensing. Cheetah is a robot that can move at a speed of 28 miles per hour. The Cheetah is a robot with 4 legs. As of 2012, it has a land speed record for legged robots. Big Dog was created in 2005 by Boston Dynamics. The Big Dog is a quadrupedal robot. It was created with Foster Miller, the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and the Harvard University Concorde Field Station. DARPA funded the Big Dog project of Boston Dynamics. The main reason for creating the Big Dog was that it could serve as a robotic pack mule to accompany the US soldiers in terrains that are too risky for vehicles. But the Big Dog project was cancelled because the robot was too loud and could not be used in combat. The KUKA Robotics Corporation is another company ahead of technology and innovation. KUKA is a German manufacturer of industrial robots and systems for factory automation. The Chinese-based Medea Group owns more than 95% of the company. KUKA Systems GmbH is a division of KUKA, a supplier of engineering services and automated manufacturing systems with around 3,900 employees in 12 countries globally. Another form of AI is used in new cars. In self-driving cars or autonomous cars, AI is used in those vehicles. It is commonly known as a robotic car. This AI-implemented car is capable of traveling without any human involvement. The self-driving cars use their onboard sensors and radars to perceive their surroundings. These vehicles contain radar, LiDAR, ultrasound, and thermographic cameras. Artificial intelligence technology is not only implemented in cars and systems, but also in drones. The new advanced drones are coming with AI-powered systems on board. The AI-powered drones are incorporated with advanced computer vision systems using cameras and sensors to understand the environment accurately. This AI-powered system enables the drones to navigate complex terrain, detect and avoid obstacles automatically, and even perform special maneuvers. This fusion of artificial intelligence and drone technology has opened up new industry applications. These AI acupressure drones offer farmers insight by capturing higher resolution images, analyzing crop health, and identifying areas requiring more attention. It'll be held for farmers. The construction and infrastructures also benefit from the drones. The robotic-powered limb is another application of robots in humans itself. It was only seen in science fiction movies. Now, bionic prosthetic limbs are integrated with advanced robotics to restore the functionality of a healthy human limb. This complex multidisciplinary field combines neuroscience, robotics, computing, and medicine. These scientists are using mathematical algorithms to control the robotic device. The basic systems were controlled by moving other parts of the body or throwing using the switches and buttons in the prosthetic limb. The main advances in robotics are happening in the humanoid robotics section. Many tech giants are working on creating their advanced humanoid robots. Sanctuary AI is a tech company with a vision for making human-like robots. Sanctuary AI now unveiled its 6th-generation general-purpose robot named Phoenix. Phoenix is the world's largest humanoid general-purpose robot powered by carbon and is pioneering a unique AI control system designed to give the Phoenix human-like intelligence and make the robot do a wide range of work, which helps in labor challenges affecting many organizations nowadays. Phoenix is a humanoid robot 7 feet tall and weighs about 155 pounds. The maximum payload of Phoenix is 55 pounds, and the maximum speed is about 3 miles per hour. In this new era of robotics, artificial intelligence is used in robots. The reason for the intelligence and smartness of the robots is due to the use of artificial intelligence. Using more robots and AI in every sector can lead to a lack of jobs for people. It'll be a very serious situation, and the new AI technologies such as Google's DeepMind can think independently and are very capable. So there should always be a restriction for AI and robots till a point. As technology is ushering, will robots be a threat to us? It is a very serious topic that robots are becoming smarter and more efficient than us humans. We all want to take it seriously, and the tech giants should use AI and robots wisely. Comment your thoughts on this, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.